This is the MP600, proven on the battlefield. It's the core member of the one-handed opening series of Gerber multi-tools relied on by the U.S. military. Built of hardy stainless steel, the MP600 opens smoothly with one hand, and its long pliers function precisely to grab and manipulate small objects in equally small spaces. It has a wired cutter and crimper, as well as built-in rulers that run along the handles. Flip open the handles to access a serrated blade, fine edge blade, Phillips driver, 3 separate sizes of flatheads, full-size file, lanyard ring, and can and bottle opener. Each of the components locks safely in place for heavy use. As with all of our military products, it's proudly built in Portland, Oregon. A true American icon. This is the MP600.
This video will help you understand more about the SOG PowerAssist B66N. This is a multi-tool, comes with a nylon case with a belt clip on the back. SOG makes this particular multi-tool in black. It's a black oxide finish on stainless steel. You can see here the blade is available on the outside of the tool. Without opening up the tool, you have a spring-assisted blade right here and a plain edge. And on the other side, another blade available, again spring-assisted, with a serrated edge. Both of these lock open using the lock right there, and then they also lock closed with that little sliding lever, and so there's a lock on both sides for each of the blades. This is a really innovative, unique feature. You don't find this on many multi-tools. Also in this particular multi-tool you'll see the compound leverage. That's a patented SOG feature that's really important. It allows you twice the gripping forces. The tool is put together with hex bolts as well, so it can be disassembled, and the inside tools and the handles can be replaced. I'll pull out some of these so you can see. This particular one has a V cutter as well as a number of other items inside. Phillips screwdriver, regular screwdriver, file, can opener. V cutter is a patented feature as well that allows you to cut webbing or strip wires very quickly. Each of these tools, when you open it up, locks open. That's a really important feature that other multi-tools don't have. The locking feature is great because the tool won't close up on your hand when you're using it. Those covers there on the handles provide some comfort as well, make it easy to grip the tool. So I'll show you compound leverage and the advantages here just by clipping a washer. I put a washer in here, and without much pressure at all, I'm able to snap this washer in half. It's pretty amazing, that compound leverage feature. As with many SOG items, this particular one comes with a lifetime warranty. You really can't go wrong with this item.
Leatherman tools have been helping everyday people deal with expected and unexpected jobs and situations. But now there's a tool for the men and women who face the unexpected every day. It's here, the Leatherman Mutt, created for those who deal with the unexpected on a very regular basis.
This is the Suspension Next by Gerber. The Suspension Next takes its inspiration from the many bridges of our hometown, Portland, Oregon. It's low profile and has a clip for pocket carry instead of hip carry. Despite its compact size, the Suspension Next doesn't compromise on function with 15 tools. Tools include needle nose pliers, standard coarse tooth pliers, and wire cutters. Scissors, medium flathead driver, ruler, file. Wire stripper, large flathead driver. Awl. Bottle opener, can opener, small flathead driver. Cross driver. Partially serrated blade. It's a familiar butterfly open design with spring-loaded pliers. Locking outboard tools offer safe, convenient operation. To complement the pocket clip, it also features an integrated lanyard hold. The Suspension Next is designed for the EDC user who requires a fully featured multi-tool that's pocketable for the commute.
coming home.